Are you kidding me? Her braids are already fucked up because of her earrings just got caught in it. Good job, Sunnies. Her earrings are really cute though. Okay, she ate. Let's take out her earrings. She ate. I'm gonna put something on this vest to protect it because this is cute. So we're gonna put some protectant on that real quick too. Let's go over the outfit. The outfit is gorge. We have our girl. Oh my gosh. She is too cute. Let's look at the shoes. The shoes 8 down. This is probably my favorite shoe mold they have ever done. And I'm just like taking all her stuff off because I'm literally gonna wash her. Oh my gosh, mine has like there's plastic chipping all off her. Oh well, I don't really care. She's perfect. Yeah, because mine's face is perfect, so I don't really care. So let's take out her hair. One beautiful pigtail down. Her other little piggy tail. I always try to save these. I put them in my little jewelry box. And this is my literal bratz jewelry, so let's put her little earrings in there. This thing, let's take these apart. Oops. Because I keep all my accessories. I'm like, what did I lose? I lost something. Oh well. These headphones are staying out. I'm putting this one somewhere. Okay, so, yeah. I'm gonna leave her hair thatched like it is just for now, just so I don't lose the parting. And yeah, let's go